In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an invoice customized template on Odoo. We'll begin from the home screen in Odoo. From there, open the accounting app. This is where you'll find the tools needed to control how your invoices look and how your business information appears on official documents. Once you're inside accounting, go to Configuration and then click Settings. In the Settings area, select General Settings. This section contains the broader options that affect your accounting documents and overall layout preferences. Now click Configure Document Layout. This is the key area where you can customize the appearance of your invoice template. Odoo gives you a live layout editor, which makes it easier to preview changes as you work. Start by editing the layout. This is where you can adjust the overall structure and visual style of the invoice so it better matches your company branding. After that, edit the tables. This usually affects how line items, totals, and pricing information are displayed, so make sure the format looks clean and easy to read. Next, edit the text in the template. This is useful for refining labels, headings, or any wording that appears on the invoice. Keep the language professional and consistent with your brand. Then add your logo. A logo helps make the invoice look more polished and recognizable. After that, change the colors to align the template with your company's visual identity. Choose colors that look professional and still keep the invoice readable. Continue by adding your address, then include a tagline if your business uses one. These details help make the invoice feel complete and properly branded. Next, choose a paper format. This is important because it affects how the invoice will look when printed or exported as a PDF. So select the format that best fits your business needs. After that, add your tax ID. This is often required for legal and accounting purposes depending on your region. Then type in your bank account information so the invoice includes payment details for customers. Next, click on the QR code option to add it. A QR code can be helpful for faster payment processing or quick access to invoice-related information, depending on how your Odoo setup is configured. Once everything looks the way you want, click Continue. At this point, your customized invoice template is ready, and you can easily choose that customized template for a customer when needed. Before finishing, it's a good idea to quickly review the layout one more time to make sure all details are accurate, aligned, and easy to read. A well-designed invoice not only looks professional but also helps create a better experience for your customers.